Wow, this makes me feel powerful.
Are you really a witch?
Yeah, Hayley, are you?
I mean, what difference does that make to society if I am or not? I mean, I could be a good witch. I could turn this 5 into 20.
Whoa.
Give me a look at this. You reckon it'll make my dad come back from his 6-year milk run?
Oh, what do you mean?
Well, like, I've been eating Milo straight out of the damn tin.
Oh, no, I saw him uptown just the other day. What do you mean he's not here?
He's in town?
Yeah.
Oh, that dude sucks.
You're kidding. No. My gosh, my dad is gonna kill me. He always expects such high grades from me. And then he's just completely gonna think I'm a failure again.
You said this was Louis V, and it's actually fake. It's $20, and I want my money back now.
I don't have the money, but that's the real thing. He has the money.
No, I don't. You've got the money.
He has the money.
Money? What money? I've never seen this man a day in my life, have I?
Isn't he your best friend?
No, never!
Oh, God, I've been scammed. I bought a cow. $13, right? $13, but it doesn't act like a cow at all. It has 4 legs, it has a very long nose, but it oinks all the time. It oinks all the time. And it oinks really loud, 1, when you step on its tail, and 2, when you eat bacon around it.
Do you want me to give this to Jeffy? Jeffy, why do you need an umbrella? I know why I need it. I've got a case of Google eyes.
What's Google eyes?
It's a case of eye troubles.
Here's your umbrella. I might need it again.
About time.
Yeah, you should have seen him the other day. While you're taking this home from school, because you don't want wrinkly skin, he's blistering up like a lobster. Just 3rd-degree burns all day.
I really loved him though.
It's okay. He's a loser. If he doesn't want you, he sucks.
But he said that we were going to get married and he only gave me ice cream once.
Look, it's okay. You need to calm down. We'll hook you up with another guy anyway. It's fine.
It was on a hot day. We were walking along the beach and he held the umbrella over me so I wouldn't get sunburnt. And now Ella's got it.
Wait. Ella's got your umbrella? That's
What are you staring at, eh?
Isn't he the one that fed that cat a firecracker?
Yeah, I think so.
You have no idea how much this means to me. My grandmother promised me this when I was such a little girl, and now she's gone, and they took it from me. I swear to you, they took it from me, and you are a lifesaver.
My mum left 7 years ago, and she didn't come back. She was just getting milk, but she knew I was lactose intolerant.
My mum forces me to draw llamas every day, and I don't even know how to draw.
What if his friends are cute? True. And then I could get my nails done. Okay, maybe I'm thinking about it.
I told you he's rich.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter.
Well, at least he can buy you stuff.
Maybe stop being a gold digger. Calm it. Jeez.
Philip, I think this is yours. I'm gonna give it to you as a gift because I don't think it's suitable for me.
Nah, wait. I don't want this, bro.
I don't want it neither.
I don't want it. You should skip it. Why me, bro?
Because you're my bestie.
But I'll just take it anyways because you're my bestie.
Thanks, bud.
Well, that's really cute, you guys, but like, I'm not having this umbrella here. You see what happened to that dude over there?
Fully staunched the grog, yeah.
Anyways, so who's going to the party this weekend?
Yeah, I'll be there. Wait, guys, she's not going. Well, if I'm not going, then my brother is not going.
Oh, I've got a plus
You
one.
can totally come. It's fine. You can totally
Yeah.
come.
Yeah. Damn. So you took Aunt Cess's Ferrari out for a spin, eh?
Yeah, had an excuse. Said I was going to wash the car. All I did was throw a bucket of water on it and then took it for a drive.
Nice.
Out for lots and lots of time.
Yeah, how did you pull it off?
Oh, no, I guess I'm just great at lots of things.
I don't care about my inheritance. I've got another idea.
What might that be?
While you were taking that Ferrari out for a spin, I found this beauty.
Whoa. Ain't this the mood changer thing?
Man, it's just an umbrella. What could it possibly be?
But ain't that the umbrella that the girls over
it'll
there
be
were going?
okay. It's just an umbrella, see? Yeah. Actually, something feels a little bit off about this umbrella, right?
Oh, Abby sent me an email. She said she really liked my hair today. Oh, that's so sweet. Your hair does look like you just got out of a shampoo commercial.
Who did you steal this from?
My brother?
I don't think this is your brother's.
It looks exactly like the umbrella from that girl that went missing last week.
You freaking bullies! You're all bullies! All of you are all... Go!
Hey, is this seat free?
Bro, are you serious? Surely he's joking. New guy.
A sacrifice?
We must gift your soul to the sacred umbrella.
Full of strawberry jam. My soul?
Yes.
For the strawberry jam?
Exactly. The cooking gods came to me in my dreams. They told me it was the only way.
The only way?
Yes.
Katie, we've talked about this. This is the third time this week. No sacrifices on school grounds. Do it in your own time. Honestly, become a teacher, they said. It'll be great. The kids are great. But no, it's all sacrifices to jam gods. I could have done anything with my life. I could have been a real estate agent. I could have sold houses. But no, instead, I'm having to deal with people turning people into marmalade.